Every generation of cricket fans asks the same question. Who will be the next Virat Kohli, Babar Azam or Jasprit Bumrah? The legends of today won't play forever, and a new generation is already preparing to take over world cricket. Some are explosive batters, some are deadly bowlers, some are complete match winners. But all of them have one thing in common. They possess the talent to become global superstars. Today, we're looking at young cricketers who could dominate the sport for the next decade. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, India's wonder kid. Every few years, a player arrives who makes the cricket world stop and take notice. For India, that player could be Vaibhav Suryavanshi. At an age when most youngsters are still learning the basics, he has already attracted attention for his fearless batting and remarkable maturity. India has produced countless stars over the years, but many experts believe Vaibhav could become something special. The expectations are enormous, but so is the talent. If developed properly, he could become one of the faces of Indian cricket in the future. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the next Indian megastar. Few cricket stories are as inspiring as Yashasvi Jaiswal's. From selling snacks near cricket grounds as a child to representing India on the biggest stage, his journey is extraordinary. What makes Jaiswal special is his ability to succeed in all formats. He can play aggressive cricket when required and also build long innings in test matches. His technique, temperament, and hunger for runs have already made him one of the most exciting batters in world cricket. Many believe he could become India's next all-format superstar. Saim Ayub, Pakistan's fearless opener. Pakistan has always produced naturally gifted batters, and Saim Ayub is the latest example. His batting style is fearless, attacking, and entertaining. Unlike many young players who take time to settle, Saim plays with confidence from the very beginning. He possesses the ability to dominate fast bowlers and spinners alike. Pakistan has searched for a long-term opening star for years, and many fans believe Saim could be the answer. If he continues developing, he could become one of the world's most dangerous openers. Harry Brook, England's new leader. Harry Brook has already shown enough talent to convince many experts that he is destined for greatness. His batting combines elegance, power, and confidence. Whether facing pace or spin, Brook appears comfortable in every situation. He has already produced match-winning performances against top international teams. What makes him particularly exciting is his adaptability across formats. England may have found not only a future superstar but potentially a future captain as well. Dewald Brevis, when a young player is compared to De Villiers, expectations immediately become enormous. That is exactly what happened to Dewald Brevis. Brevis possesses extraordinary power and creativity. His ability to play innovative shots and dominate bowling attacks has attracted global attention. South Africa has been searching for its next batting icon. Many believe Brevis could be that player. Nahid Rana, Bangladesh's speed demon for years. Bangladesh struggled to produce genuinely fast bowlers. Nahid Rana might change that. Capable of bowling at speeds above 150 km per hour, he has already created excitement throughout the cricket world. Raw pace is one of the rarest weapons in cricket. When combined with discipline and experience, it can become devastating. Bangladesh fans hope Nahid can become the fast bowling superstar the country has always wanted. His future looks incredibly bright. Predicting future superstars is never easy. Over the next decade, they could win World Cups, break records, and inspire millions of fans around the world.